Hey guys, welcome to Super Wow Style. This is Prachi and I'm like really excited right now. I know I said really too many times, but guys, I'm really excited. I'll tell you why. Because today I'll be reviewing a brand new beauty subscription service in India. Yes, these people have just launched themselves, and if I'm not wrong, I'm probably one of the first few YouTubers to be reviewing them. So guys, we are making history. So yeah, if you are wondering what in the world is the name of this company, well, the name of this company is very interesting. It's Lady Raga, R-A-G-A. So you know, that's a nice Indian twist. And I can't wait to open this box and check out what's in there. So I'm gonna shut up now and I'm gonna quickly open this box for you guys. Actually, you know what? While I open this box, let me quickly tell you a little bit about this company. They're a beauty subscription service, but they're kind of different from the usual beauty subscription service, or so they told me. That they don't like really follow any specific pattern. You know, like they send you all kinds of things, and I mean, it can be like a bag or a box, and the products can be just anything. So I think that really breaks the monotony of the regular beauty subscription services that we have in India right now. Oh dear God, they've really packed this stuff well, guys. And my box is open. Okay, that's a really nice bag. Look at this. It's beautiful, it's colorful, and it's so different. I don't have a single bag like that. It's kind of transparent. I love it. I love it. Okay, so they've sent a whole bunch of things inside. Hey. Okay, I don't know which one to open first. See, all of these are packed. These guys are so mysterious. They have packed everything in bubble wrap, so I'll have to open it to really see what's in there. Okay, so what's the first thing that I have in my hand? This looks like something for the eyes. Liquid liner. Oh my God, you can never have enough of liquid liners, right? This is from, let me show you the packaging. I'm sorry, I'm just like really excited. The product is from Seven Heavens Photogenic Liquid Eyeliner, and it's waterproof. So yeah, liquid eyeliner are pretty cool. You can use it for your eyes, you can use it for your nail art, and I think that's like really awesome. Oh, they really... Let me check. Guys, I'll have to open this later. I'm sorry, I'm like really curious to see what else is there inside the box. So this month they have sent a bag. This is obviously for September, but next month they may not send a bag. They may send like a box or a different kind of a bag. Like this is like more of a pouch. So yeah, I think that's like really cool. It's very creative. Okay, I'll show you what I'm opening here. This is like jewelry. Is it a jewelry? Oh my God, just look at this. This is so pretty. Wow, guys, I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. Lady Raga, they're doing a good job. Any company that can send you this is definitely super cool. This is totally my style. And oh my God, just look at it. It's got like a little heart over here, and these eagle feathers, wings. I think wings would be an appropriate word to use over here. I think this is like so cool, man. So cool. Okay, I'll wear this out later, or maybe I'll just share a couple of pictures on Instagram. You guys should really follow me on Instagram. You know, I have such few followers, it's a shame. What a nice way to ask for followers, by threatening people and ordering them to follow you. And this is a lipstick. Oh, by the way, this is from this is a fashion jewelry. Oh, I didn't even realize it has matching earrings. Guys, I love Lady Raga. This is so cool. So one of the things I want to mention about Lady Raga is that if you are placing an order for September, you may not get the exact same design of the jewelry or the exact same product, but the product that they send you will be pretty much along the same lines, like the same concept, the same kind of a style, and definitely the same quality. So this is by CoverGirl Blast Flipstick. What is a flipstick? Do you have any idea what's a flipstick? I think it's a lipstick which can be flipped on both the sides. Yeah, actually, you know what? That does make sense. Flipstick. Okay, so this is like a nice pastel pink nude color and a lot of shine. I like it. It's different from the color that I'm wearing, definitely. I don't have this color. I think it's nice. It smells good. It smells really good. It smells like chocolate and strawberry mix. Wow, now I'm hungry. And what is on the other side? This is like a beautiful, rich, creamy chocolate color. See, I really need to eat something now. This is a very nice color. I like it. Nice colors. This thing totally smells like chocolate. Oh my god. Am I thinking like that because I'm like actually just hungry? No. They do smell like that. And what is this? Oh, this is a bracelet. These guys like seriously put in a whole variety of different things. I think that's really refreshing, because of late of all the beauty subscription services that I have been subscribing to or working with, they send like pretty monotonous stuff. These guys are like not monotonous at all. Just look at this, and I love this sense of style, you know. They're like very edgy and really classy. Okay, this is a surprise gift. They did tell me that there is a surprise gift, so I guess that's why they have wrapped it up. How sweet of them to actually wrap up a surprise gift. Your surprise gift could be different, so this video may not actually be a spoiler for you. Okay, and this is a clear zinc sunscreen. Okay, it's SPF 50. That's cool, guys. This is by Solar Sense. Okay, for all those of you who are like wishing that, you know, I show all these things to you in close-up, do something. Go to Prachi Pages and check out all of these products in close-up. I'll just make a quick video on Prachi Pages where I'll show everything in close-up, because in a review video, if I just put everything, it'll just become too long. It's a very soft, smooth and light formula, great for both, I think, oily as well as dry skin. That's a really good thing at this end. I'm discovering lots of new products because, oh my god, they sent me a nail polish. How nice of them. Wow, I love this color. Just look at the color. This is from Soft Nail Elwin Power Lasting Nail Color. So guys, these are the products that I got. A nail color. Oh, by the way, you can get this subscription service for 666 rupees. If you get like a long-term subscription, you will obviously get some discounts. I will share the link in the description box below. Oh, they've also sent a little card over here. I was actually wondering. This card says, "Hey gorgeous." Oh, how sweet. Welcome to Lady Raga. Go on a spree with them. Beauty products. Okay, so for 666, what you're actually getting over here, this lipstick is for 1099 rupees. Wow. And the eyeliner, which I've not yet tried, by the way, is for 399. That's like almost 400 bucks. These are like expensive products. Seriously, where are my scissors? I can't. Oh, I found them. And the nail polish was for 69 rupees, which is interesting. Jewelry, the handcuff is for 325 rupees. And the necklace and earrings is for like 525. No surprise, guys. This quality is brilliant. And this is the eyeliner. Let me do a quick swatch over here. Yes, it's going to dry into matte. Definitely going to dry into matte. I like it. Nice eyeliner. And this is for like, the total worth of this bag would be about more than 2000 rupees. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe and check them out. And just encourage them, because honestly guys, these beauty subscription services are like so cool. I really want to encourage these companies because they are sending out such amazing things and making girls so fashionable at such low prices. I think it's absolutely brilliant. So yes, that's about it. I want to shut up now. This video is again so long. One of you complained in my last video that my videos are becoming very long. I can't help it, guys. I just talk too much. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and now bye bye.